for those of you who always wondered, that's where your Amazon stuff comes from. This place is huge. Morning, everybody. Thanks for taking me off-ramp to adventure. It's Saturday morning, and it's not quite the usual adventure we go on. And today, I'm getting my eyes checked, and then I got to get my hair cut. I can actually get my hair cut today. No mask, no anything like that, and I'm kind of excited about that. And that's just cleaning house, and we're supposed to do the yard. And yeah, I'm just having a hard time getting really excited about that, but I wanted to get out and show you a little bit of the area. Got this weird merge. Kentucky has these weird merging things you have to do. They give you like 3 feet of room to get out of someone's way. And sometimes it's a little tough. You've really got to be watching what you're doing. Anyway, I've got to admit, getting my hair cut and going to the eye doctor is not exciting, but I'm thinking about getting a new look today because I need glasses to read. But I'm thinking, should I get something stylish? Because I've got these like metal frames and I'm looking at them going, I don't know anymore. I just want to do something different. And I thought I'd bring you guys along just to have something to do today, maybe have something to talk about, and who knows, maybe come across something kind of interesting to look at. While I'm sitting at this light, I was pondering. We were thinking about taking off-ramp adventures a little different direction from time to time, and wondering if you guys would go along with that. Maybe sometimes not having to travel so far so we can put out more videos. Sometimes when you're working, it's really tough to get out and do things, and we love making content for you guys, but it gets a little tough. So what we're thinking about doing is maybe doing some green screen things. Not sure whether we should do any live stuff. We've never tried that before. It's kind of scary to think about that, especially when we're not that big. I'm at the optometrist's office. Time to get my astigmatism relined. I'll leave you guys outside for this part. It's not going to be really interesting. And we're done, and I have a cataract. As weird as it sounds, my optometrist is really happy I've got a cataract. He says once it gets bigger, a little bit bigger, it's got to grow, he can take it out and I will never have to wear glasses again. It's going to be nice. Until you realize that, you know, you have to have eye surgery. Okay, got a couple of hours to kill until my haircut appointment, so I'm going to do something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I am going to do something here that I would love to do every day, but I really can't. I mean, I love this store. I've been here a lot, but I don't normally go where I'm going just because. I'm getting kind of excited thinking about it. Along the beautiful selection of guitars they've got hanging, I'm going to the special room. Stuff on sale. Oh, okay, this is cute. How little is that? But here's where I want to go. Well, I'm putting off where I'm taking you because there's another guy in there right now. But I really want to go in there. And he's playing banjo. I don't really play banjo, though I could play something with a banjo player, but don't know. Okay, this is cool. I love that kind of carving. These are the lesser price guitars, so you know where I'm going. Those of you who play guitar, you know where I'm headed. That's right, the expensive room. The time has come into the expensive room. Look at these guitars. This is the kind of stuff, if you are just a hack player like I am, you just dream of these kind of guitars. You like to make them sound like they're supposed to, but you know, I do the best I can. Here we go. I'm gonna play this one. It's $29.99. I know a lot of you are going, that's not much for a guitar. It is for me. Yeah. It's got a lock. It's got a lock on it. Didn't work out like I wanted, but not bummed, because I did get a couple of chord sheets so I can learn how to play better. I'm feeling for the guy that came in the room after me. He came all the way from Florida to look for this one guitar that was supposedly online at this store. And the guy says, we don't have that. He goes, dude, I just drove from Florida. That's a serious musician, not this guy. Some of us just know we're not going to be rock stars, which really for me is okay. I'm just happy to play the guitar. If I can fiddle with the strings, that's a pun, I'm happy with that. But stick around, because I have come up with something that I know you're going to want to see. It's a few miles down the road. I'll click back in when we get there, after I get my hair cut. If you've done any kind of online shopping, you're going to be amazed by this. It's just an airport. Those are just planes. But man, the number of planes this place sees every day. The weekends, UPS puts on kind of a show because they have so many planes waiting to land. I counted, I think 20 one night in line. You can see their landing lights in line waiting to land within like 2 minutes of each other. That's how much stuff comes in and out of Louisville for UPS. That's right, you've got people working hard to get your stuff. But this isn't the last thing I want to show you about Louisville. I think this one is going to impress a lot of you, especially if you like shopping. Little side note about UPS, they have 2 runways for all the planes that come and go, running side by side. It's amazing. And really quick, if you like this kind of video, you might like the idea of seeing more about Louisville and what makes it work. Not just the popular places that people always go when they come here, but the little nooks and crannies. Put that down in the comments. And make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Oh, gotta merge. And for those of you who always wondered, that's where your Amazon stuff comes from. This place is huge. And if you live within 3 blocks of it, you still have to mail order stuff. You cannot walk in. There is no Amazon store in a town that has Amazon. Is that nutty to anyone else but me? Seriously, Amazon is like 100,000 square feet, I guess. It's just huge. Might even be bigger than that. That's where everything you order comes from. And you can't get it locally. Gotta mail order. And that's where I'm gonna wrap up this video today. You found out where UPS is, where Amazon comes from, and what guitars I can't afford. Thanks for watching. And again, if you like this kind of content, we want to try to get more content out there, and it's really tough when you work. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. You'd be willing to watch more of it. And we'd love you to subscribe. We really would. Thanks again to all the new subscribers. We really appreciate it. Whatever you do, don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp. What happened to all the sunlight? We had sunshine. We haven't had sunshine in like a week. We had 3 hours and now it's gone. Oh man, come on summer.